Hello, welcome to Armenian for Beginners, Lesson 1. In today's lesson, we will talk about the Armenian alphabet. Let's begin. We have the print version of the letter, uppercase, lowercase, followed by the cursive or the handwritten version, followed by the sound. A, B, G, D, Y, Z, E, T, J, I, L, H, Z, G, H, Z, R, Ç, M, Y, N, Ş, V, Ç, P, C, R, S, V, T, R, T, U, P, K, Y, O, F. So those were the Armenian letters with their sounds, 39 letters. There are 8 vowels and they are A, Y, E, I, V, U, O. The vowel Y is pronounced Y when it's written at the beginning of the word. In the middle or at the end of the word, it's pronounced E. Exception to this rule are the present forms of the verb to be: M, S, E, ENK, EK, N. The vowel VO is pronounced VO at the beginning of the word. When it is in the middle or at the end of the word, it's pronounced O. Exceptions are the words of kesh, which means who singular and who plural. In this case, they are pronounced O. And the stress falls on the vowel of the last syllable, except the cases when it's the vowel A. For example, the word library. In Armenian, it's pronounced gradaran. The stress falls into the last syllable. However, when we have the letter A at the end of the word, such as here, the stress falls one syllable before A. So it's pronounced gradaran, which means the library. A in Armenian is a definite article. It just is attached to the word. Here are the voiced and unvoiced consonants. We'll go row by row. B, P, P. Going down. G, G, K, D, T, T, Z, Z, C, J, J, Ch. Going down. R, 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 H, Z, S, J, Sh, V, F. Here are the punctuation marks. This mark that looks like a colon, this is the period in Armenian. The next one is the question mark. Next is the comma. This is the stress mark, exclamation mark, quotation marks, and this is the same function as colon in English. Here are the punctuation marks with Armenian names. Verchaket, the period. Hartsakan, question. Storaket, comma. Next is shesht, stress. Batsakanchakan, exclamation. Boot, same as column. And that's it for today. Until next time, goodbye.